Hi, my name is Maria Ortega and you are on the Ladymaria51 channel. Today I will prepare a very easy recipe and you can use it to share with the family, give as a gift or sell. What we are going to prepare today? We are going to prepare a delicious vanilla cupcake. It is very easy and the best part that is only made with a few ingredients. Find a pencil and paper to write the ingredients. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que le estaré enseñando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. The ingredients to prepare the cupcakes are the following: 1½ cup of prepared flour that is equal to 340 grams. Half a cup of evaporated milk, which is equal to 120 milliliters. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, which is equal to 5 milliliters. A stick of butter, which is equal to 4 ounces. A cup of sugar, which is equal to 226 grams. And finally, 2 eggs. You have already written all the ingredients. But before starting the procedure, I want to tell you that the flour we are using is the prepared flour that have already baking powder and salt added. And this flour is already sifted. What does sifted means? How I explained in the other videos, sift the flour is that we will pass the flour through this container and we are going to sift it to pour it into this container so that the flour is clean and smooth and the cupcake come out well. I also want to tell you that all the ingredients are at room temperature. What does room temperature means? On my channel there are some videos where I talk about why the ingredient must be at room temperature. Also there are videos about the type of flour that exists as a sample of prepared flour and all-purpose flour. Also, we have videos on butter or margarine. These are different types of videos that are in my channel that you can watch. And for the equipment, we will be using this hand mixer. We also be using this scoop. We use this to serve ice cream, but we can also use it to serve the mixture. This is a large container where we can put all our mixture and use the spatula. And finally, the cupcake mold. This is a large cupcake mold because there are also mini cupcake molds. These are all the ingredients and utensils that we will be using. Now we're going to take a close-up shot so that you can observe the procedure. We start by mixing the butter with the sugar. We already put the butter in the container. Now we are going to add the sugar and we're going to mix until it is creamy. We add the sugar and we will beat. We already mixed the butter with the sugar. Look how it turns out. Now what we're going to do is add all the ingredients and we're going to mix until they are mixed well. You see, it's easy. We add the flour, we put the eggs, we add the milk. This milk is evaporated milk. And finally, we add the vanilla. Now we're going to mix well. We stop the mixer for a moment because what we're going to do is what sticks to the container walls, we will join it to the mixture with the spatula. We mix it by hand a little bit. everything is coming together and mixing. Now we continue with the mixer until they are mixed well. The mixture is ready, as you can see. Now what we're going to do is put the cups in the mold. As you can see, we already put the cups in the mold. We already put the mix in one of the cups. Now we are going to pour the mixture into the other cups until the mixture is complete. We are pouring the mix with the scoop of ice cream. We pour the mixture with the scoop, and they should not be filled to the top because this cupcake will grow. You always have to leave an edge. As you can see, I already put the mixture in all the cups. As I said before, you should leave a border on the cup once the mixture is in, since the cupcake will grow. If you add the mixture and leave no edge, which I mean a space, the cupcake will grow and overflow. That is why it is essential to leave a space in the cup once the mixture is in the cup. We have precisely 12 cupcakes. This mixture is very easy to make. We will now place this tray in the oven preheated to 350 degrees in bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. It all depends on your oven because not all ovens heat in the same way. So we're going to put this in the oven now. The cupcakes are ready. Look how nice they are. They took about 15 to 20 minutes. It all depends on your oven. It's still warm, that's why I'm holding it with my glove and handle. Always have glove and protective handle to protect your hands. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to wait for this cupcake to be at room temperature. The cupcakes are at room temperature. Look how nice they are. I'm going to give a close-up shot here on the camera so that you can see it. Look how cute! And it smells delicious. When you put the cupcake in the oven, you must wait between 15 to 20 minutes. To know when it is ready, you can do the stick test. What is the stick test? The test of the stick is that you insert it into the cupcake. If it comes out wet, it means that it is not ready yet. You should leave it for a little longer. And when the time passes, do the test of the stick again. And when it is dry, the stick, when it comes out, it means that the cupcakes are ready. You can open the oven for 15 minutes and do the stick test to see if it is ready. It is essential to remember to use gloves and handle before taking the cupcake so that you do not burn, since the tray will be hot. The gloves and the handle will protect your hands. I hope you like this video. You can prepare this cupcake to share with the family, sell, or give as a gift. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and activate the bell so that you can receive the next videos. See you in the next video.